Hello everybody and welcome. Today we are making something again, obviously, because that's what we do here. I was watching TikTok. Yes, I was watching TikTok. Roast me if you want to. But I saw this girl wearing these really cool jeans, and I'll put them here. And I was like, oh my god, I need those in my life. So here we are, we're gonna make them. So I got these jeans from the thrift store and they are called the Old Navy Power Jean. I don't know why, I thought that was funny. I need that kind of energy in my life. Anyway, I just traced out what I thought the paneling should look like that I needed to cut on both sides, and then I cut that out. Next, I tried them on to make sure that the cutouts were where I wanted them, and you know that they're where you want them to be when your pants look like a mullet. Originally, when I first planned this, I was gonna do it like to a T, the same, but I wear a lot of black. So we're making the black edition, right? And I really, I tried my hardest to find black lace, and I wanted to do it cheap. All the black lace at Joann's was like $30 a yard. So I went to the thrift stores and I looked at all of the dresses, like all the black dresses, to see if I can like take the black lace off of it and cut it out, and I couldn't find anything. So we're just gonna get to what I'm gonna use instead of the black lace, which is this. This was $16 a yard, and then I used a coupon, so I got a whole yard for $9. And they make you download the app at Joann's to get the coupon, so like, come on Joann's, really? Anyway, let's get started. So I'm taking my shiny Holo fabric and cutting out like the inner panel for the pants leg, and I made the bottom of my panel super wide because I wanted them to be like bell bottoms because I wanted big power pant energy. So I spent a lot of time like pinning the whole all of the panels in place and like doing a really good job, because usually I don't do that. I just kind of like, you know, hope for the best, and that was a big mistake, and you'll see why in just a second. So I ran into a little bit of technical difficulties when sewing these in. What you have to do if you're actually like gonna do this at home is leave one side unpinned, because you're gonna want to go around the pant leg in like a U formation. I hope that makes sense. It barely makes sense to me, and I'm the one doing it. And this is how they turned out. Honestly, I can't tell if I like them or not, so I put my dog in a scrap piece of fabric so she could match me and I could feel better about this outfit. I think it looks really cool. I think it's gonna be one of those projects that I revisit in the future. I like the paneling and the jeans, but I don't know. I think maybe I needed a sheer fabric. I think the rainbows really saved this whole look. But I learned a lot making it, and I think it still looks cool. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!